Guys, let there be light. Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on these. These are LED floodlights from a company called ONFORU. They're super bright, have a fully programmable remote control. You can use them inside or outside and they're coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, whether you need extra lighting for either outdoor security or like me, if you've got a studio or want to just create some ambient lighting, these are going to be a good bet. These lights by ONFORU are LED. They are super bright. They're rated at IP66, so they're waterproof. You can use them outside, you can use them inside. You can create a whole array of different lighting programs, and they're cool. First off guys, I just want to let you know that ONFORU sent me these lights to review. Now, I either buy my own stuff or from time to time I'm sent products to review, but you know what guys, you will always get an honest review from me. So let's get this box open and take a look at the goods. So guys, this is a pack of two. Put that one down there. The first thing you'll notice is it's sturdy, it's robust. You've got plastic on the front, so no fear of any breakable glass. You've got an aluminium back, so that's good for heat dissipation and kind of gives it a nice rugged feel. You've got these mounting brackets which have a good amount of friction on the back, so if you want to put these anywhere and angle them, that's not going to be a problem either. These come in 20 watt, 50 watt and 100 watt versions. Now this is the 50 watt version and I can tell you now it is super bright. The only criticism that I've got, immediate criticism, is you've only got a meter of power cable. It's nice to have a molded plug. This is the jolly old UK molded plug. That's handy if you want to plug this in and you don't need a lot of length, no problem. If you want to make this part of your outdoor security system or you want to mount it outdoors or something like that, you may need to extend this power cable. You may need to cut that off, extend it. Please get a qualified electrician to do that if you're gonna do it, because I don't want to see any videos or any comments on fires. So yes, for me it's not going to be a problem. I'm going to use this in my studio, so I've got plenty of plugs, plenty of sockets, no problem. But if you're going to use it outside, the length of this cord might be an issue. So guys, as I said, this pack comes as a pair. You also get two of these remote controllers. First thing to know is there are a shed load of buttons on this remote controller, 44 to be precise, but each light can be controlled, programmed, whatever, independently. So they are a pair, but they can be used independently. If you've got one with some kind of programmed lighting sequence on one, and the other you just want to have as a solid color or something else, you can do that. No problemo. First thing to note on the remote controller are the 44 buttons. Now you can see that a lot of these are colored. They are all the colors. To be precise, there are 20 programmable colors straight off the bat. That's a lot of colors. From there, you have some DIY modes where you can actually add, subtract different colors in order to create an exact color of your choice. Now, for the best part, I don't know who's going to do that, but if you wanted to match a color to a background or something else that you've got, you can do that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The next thing are jump sequences. You can get these to jump colors. You can get them to jump either slow or fast. You can get them to fade. You can get them to flash. There is a ton of programmable stuff that you can do with this remote controller. And you can also set a timer. You can set a timer for 3, 6 or 12 hours for the lights to automatically turn off. So that's pretty cool. And as well as them being super bright, they're also dimmable. So you can really tune and control these lights down to the nth degree. That's pretty cool. I like it. So guys, also in the box you get this warranty card. You can scan that code and you get a free lifetime warranty, so that's pretty good. So guys, you also get this leaflet which shows you basic operation and installation details in different languages. And yeah, that's really it. So guys, in summary, the good. Solid build quality, infinite colours. You can use them inside or out, rain or shine. You've got a fully programmable remote control with a timer function, built-in mounting bracket for easy installation, and super bright, which you can dim down if you want to. The price for this pack of 2 will cost you less than £50 in the UK. It's available on Amazon. I'll be putting a link in the description box where you can also get an additional 15% off, so that's pretty good. The bad, well, if you can call it bad, it's really down to the power lead. It's a bit short. I would have liked a longer power lead, but you know what, as I said, for me, it's not really giving me a problem. If you do want to put this outside or you're not very close to a plug socket, then you are going to have to extend the lead. So guys, all in all, I really like these. Very versatile, lots of flexibility, lots of different lighting permutations. You know, if you want to party, if you want to, you know, have like a disco type of look with flashing and jumping and fading and all the rest of it, or if you just want to use it as a bit of ambient lighting, or like for me in the studio, I've already got some behind me, so you know, just to kind of create a bit of a mood, you can. Or if you just want to bring a little bit of light into your life, you know what guys, go get some, you won't be disappointed. And for what you get, they're pretty cheap. So guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section. Like I said, I'm going to link in the description box where you can get these and the 15% discount link. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. And until the next one, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.